Okay, let's hit 7.6, factoring complex second-degree polynomials. Again, second-degree polynomial, meaning the biggest x is x squared. Third-degree polynomial would be the biggest x is x cubed. And we're not dealing with those. Those are far more uncommon, far more rare. So this is, when it says complex, it means that the first x, the x squared, has a number in front of it that isn't 1. That's bigger than 1. So their example is 15x squared minus 4x minus 3. Okay, so this is the one they want us to factor. So we have to have two numbers in the front that multiply to be 15 and two numbers in the back that multiply to be 3. And then hopefully they come together to be negative 4. So let's see here. We got 1 and 15, we got 3 and 5, and that's about it. So let's see what we get. So we've got two binomials with a number here and a number here that multiply to be 15. So if they can multiply to be 15, we're going to guess that it's 3 and 5. So I'm going to put a 3 and I'm going to put a 5. And then the back number has to multiply to be a negative 3. So there's only two numbers that can make that, is a positive 1 and a negative 3. Or a negative 1 and a positive 3. I'm going to guess a positive 1 and a negative 3. And then I'm going to see if it works out. Okay, so 3 times 5. Oh, I didn't put the x there. 3x times 5x is 15x squared. So far, so good. So far, so good. 3x minus 3 is negative 9x plus 5x minus 3. So negative 9 plus 5 gives me negative 4x. Looks like I guessed correctly. We get that negative 4 in the middle, and we're good. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, so this one's a little harder because the back number is so very large. The middle number frequently in these becomes large because you're multiplying it by this first number. So we can't rely so much on the middle number. We've got to look at the first and the last number. So the first number is 12. So we've either got 1 and 12 or 2 and 6. Based on the last one, I'm gonna try for 2 and 6. 2 and 6. And then two numbers that multiply together to be 70, it's 2x and 6x, multiply together to be 70 is either 1 and 70 or 35 and 2. And that's all I can really think of. Let's see if they've got any others. 5 and 7. They've also got 5 and 7. I forgot about 5 and 7. Because this middle number is so big, let's see here, 6. Well, and it's a negative. So if the middle number is negative and the last number is positive, that means both of these have to be negative numbers, right? And have to add together. So I'm going to do negative 7 and negative 5. Okay, I know that's a wonky 5. Don't judge me. 2x times 6x gives me 12x squared, which is what we wanted. We knew that was going to happen. 2x times negative 5x is negative 10x. Negative 7 times 6x. 6 times 7 is 42? 42. Negative 42x. Negative 7 times negative 5. Oh, that's negative 35. That's not going to work out. Why did I think 7 and 5 would be a thing? Oh, because they lied to me. Okay, well, we're close. We got negative 52 and 35. So let's get rid of that. See, 7 and 10 make 70. Alright, let's try it with negative 7 and negative 10. Let's see if that makes a difference. 2x times 6x is 12x squared. That part stayed the same. 2x times negative 10x is negative 20x. Negative 7 times negative 10, or 6. No, not yet. Negative 7 times 6x is negative 42x. Here we go. That makes 62x. And then negative 7 times negative 10 is positive 70. And we did it. And we did it. So basically, the key to this is just guessing, working it out, seeing if it did, readjusting your guess, and trying again. It's trial and error. And that seems to be it for 7.6. Just remember trial and error. Foil it out and see what you can do.